हम लोग ये डिमांड कर रहे हैं कि जो विजिटर हैं DU के वो एक्शन लेते हुए तुरंत FYUP को ख़त्म करने का कार्रवाई करें।
Controversy that's been raging for over a year, but just when one thought the focus at Delhi University was going to be firmly on cutoffs and admissions and all that anxiety, well, not so. We are back to the debate over 4 years or 3 years, but where does it leave the key stakeholders, the students? That's our focus on this special program today. We have a special panel of guests. Thanks all for being with us. Before we get the experts in, I would like to ask you, I've been speaking to you and you've been sort of voicing your angst. You're among those who studied the first year. What is the first question I would sort of, if I want to ask you on your mind?
If you're reverting it back to 3-year program, where does this leave us, the students who've studied a year the FYUP? Where does it leave us? Just tell us, where does this leave us? How are we going to go about our curriculum? How are we going to go about our future? Will we have a 3-year course now, or will we have to study for 3 more years and graduate with the coming students, or will we study for the next 2 years? And what about the subjects, the various subjects inbuilt in our course that we're going to study further? How is it going to go about?
And you've heard absolutely nothing on all these queries that are being raised so far.
Yes, we have been signing petitions that we want FYUP because, the concept that we support the concept of FYUP. We definitely do because we've experienced it. And yes, having said this, I'll say that there are loopholes that people need to work on. The implementation of the whole thing was really fast. It was very sudden for all of us. But I don't think they need to scrape it off like this because the concept, really support the concept. Who would have thought about the dual degree concept in India?
If the FYUP stays and we don't get the 3-year course, then what about the implementation? Is it going to go a top notch higher than what it already is, or is it going to stay here only? Because frankly, you can ask my friends here, but I don't think anyone has even opened the FC's books till now. This semester, I didn't even buy my FC's books to go and give the exam. So this is the state that we're in if we are going through with the FYUP. So my point here is that, okay, fine, if we have FYUP, is something going to be done to actually make it a notch higher than what it is?
We are not lab rats which we will be used again and again for experiment like these. If you have implemented a program, stick with it.
We've been experimented with since 10th grade. First, we were the experiment students for the CCE program. Then when we came to class 12, the value-based questions. And now we have FYUP. And then now
generations will thank you for allowing this kind of experiment on you. Someone's got to be the guinea pigs. But I totally see your point. Right.
Yeah. But still, we still got through that. We still got through the CCE. We still got through the value-based. But now this is like heights. We can't get through it.
Right. I'm going to just try and include the panel in. Professor Ansari, perhaps the irony is that it's all being done, in the interest of the students, for the students, etc. But it's the students who seem to suffer the most. Now, 1 year has already been done. All those who are raising questions on the UGC had all this time to act. And now at the end of 1 year, there comes a directive. Why not earlier? How would you, as someone who's been, in this position, argue this?
Well, I'm very much aware of the arguments in favor of FYUP and also those arguments which are against it. But analyzing the situation that has emerged today, what I would say is that every democratically elected government has the mandate to implement the promises that has been made to the people at large. And therefore, in accordance with the promises made by the government, this government of today has taken a decision to scrap the program of FYUP and revert back to the 3-year program. This directive has been given by the MHRD to the UGC, and the UGC under certain provisions has also asked the DU to implement it. So as of now, there is absolutely no option other than to review and reconsider the implementation of the 4-year program, because that is something which cannot be challenged, that cannot be questioned. But now, the accommodating the interest of the students which they have just now raised, we quite agree, and the UGC has also constituted a committee to look into the processes and the mechanism which could be adopted.
But do you believe, sir, that it can be, we can see a smooth transition, sir?
It will be, it is possible to do that without losing the the time the students have devoted. So, if they have been admitted for 4-year program, they will be able to complete within 3 years, and the 1 year that they have devoted in the present time, I mean last year, that will be taken care of through the credit system, through maybe
So
some
something
additional
you're saying
teaching.
will be
It
devised
will
over
be
there.
given, you know, because what has happened is that the students' interest is kept supreme, you know, that is most important.
You made your
And their
points,
promises were already in the public
right,
domain.
you make
So
your point.
there
I
is
just
no
want to ask the
harm.
students if they feel, you know, when you hear that, yes, we will devise something, yes, something, you know, students of interest of students supreme and all of that. Do you sort of feel placated? Do you feel that, yes, there's hope, or are you still sort of in quandary?
I want an answer to my question that how could you accommodate the 3-year studies in 2 years? Yeah, exactly. How can you accommodate that thing? It would be burden on us. And are we the puppets in hand of political people? Promises are made according to the wave of just students who are going against.
Right.
So,
Aditya,
but as we
you're sort of almost. I just get you to respond. You're sort of in agreement. Quickly, sir.
No, it's not the question of agreement and
It's
disagreement.
against the mechanics of it that seem to be
For
in question.
narrow political gains, you cannot sacrifice the fate of the lakhs of students. Let me explain why it is happening. This is happening because Dinesh Singh has taken, who is Vice Chancellor, our Vice Chancellor, he has taken the establishment in the academics which has come up over the 60 years of the existence. He has taken up in arms with the establishment, and they are trying to demolish it. And secondly, the lobby of private universities are creating such situations.
I think the points which have been made by the students include that one, that they have no problem with the concept of the program, but they are not happy with the content. And number two, the present batch of FIUP is also concerned of how they are going to migrate from the 4-year to 3-year, what is going to happen to their kid. The university has kept this provision of annual revision. University never had been in the mood, They have never taken any initiative so far to constitute a committee to relook what has happened to the present batch of FIUP. If the FIUP content and the structure of the course had been so good, I want to raise an issue. Why every student in Delhi University, why every student organization, why large section of the teachers and many teachers organizations today are agitating against it? Right. Why they are asking for rollback?
I want to ask you quickly, sir, do you then believe, with all the points that you've made, the technicalities that you've listed out, that a smooth transition is possible at the end of the day for students?
Absolutely.
Like this?
You see, the proposal has already been moved long back from the DUTA, and it is presently with the standing committee. Standing committee of the UGC had one round of discussion,
right,
and it is coming through. Let me assure you it is coming through.
No, I would like to add only one line which will allow you to locate the debate on this crisis better. Has the UGC questioned this program on the basis of concept or conceptual deficiency or deficiency in the contents? No. All objections are on the basis of technicalities, number one. Number two, I have pointed out how the organized students group has gone wrong. If you see the first year students reaction, you will find it where they have gone wrong.
और ये जो अल्टरनेटिव की जो बात कर रहे हैं, सबसे पहले जो सर बोल रहे हैं कंटेंट की बात, दिस एजुकेशन इज़ नॉट ए मोबाइल, कि अगर बदल गया तो अगर ख़राब है तो आज अगर ये ख़राब हो गया तो मैं जा करके बदल लूँगा. जहाँ कंटेंट की बात बोल रहे हैं, जो बोल रहे हैं लो कंटेंट रिव्यू, कहीं रिव्यू नहीं है, कंटेंट ख़राब है, खुद ये लोग स्वीकार कर रहे हैं. डुअल डिग्री की बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन डुअल डिग्री में भारत में कौन नौकरी देगा? ये पूरा एक एजुकेशन के सिस्टम के साथ जो मजाक जो किया गया, आज जो पूरे ऑटोनॉमी और स्वायत्ता की जो बात हो रही है DU के भीतर, इसके ऊपर भी मैं एक सवाल खड़ा करना चाहूँगा. जब ये कोर्स लागू किए गए 4 ईयर का प्रोग्राम, मैं JNU का छात्र हूँ और JNU छात्र संघ में भी रहा हूँ, साल भर पूरे बहस होते हैं एक कोर्स को लागू करने के लिए, सेंटर लेवल से लेकर के स्टूडेंट से लेकर के, दे ऑल आर इन्वॉल्व. बट FYUP जैसा आप बड़ा चेंज करने जा रहे हैं, लेकिन ये DUVC ने उस समय कभी भी बहस नहीं किया.